Welcome back to Matt's Automotive Milestones. Please subscribe for more automotive history. We have a lot in store. The 1957 Ford Ranchero stands as a remarkable piece of automotive history that captures the spirit of a unique era in American car culture. Launched by Ford during a time when the country was buzzing with innovation and a thirst for adventure, the Ranchero was a groundbreaking vehicle that blended the features of a car and a pickup truck. This fusion not only appealed to the practical needs of consumers, but also catered to the growing desire for leisure and lifestyle vehicles. Visually, the 1957 Ranchero is stunning, showcasing Ford's bold design language of the time. With its distinctive lines, sweeping curves, and pronounced front grille, it exudes an aura of power and elegance. Available in a variety of vibrant colors, the Ranchero was not just a workhorse, it was a stylish statement on wheels. The two-tone paint schemes, which were particularly popular, allowed owners to express their individuality, making the Ranchero a canvas for personal flair. Under the hood, the 1957 Ranchero offered a range of engine options, appealing to a broad spectrum of buyers. From the economical 223 cubic inch six-cylinder engine to the more powerful 207 cubic inch V8, it provided the performance that many drivers craved. The choice of engines meant that whether customers were looking for a reliable everyday vehicle or something with a bit more muscle for weekend adventures, the Ranchero had them covered. One of the most intriguing aspects of the Ranchero was its utility. The open bed in the back was perfect for hauling goods, whether it was for work or play, making it versatile enough to handle a variety of tasks. This practicality made it especially appealing to small business owners, farmers, and anyone else needing a reliable vehicle that could handle both passenger and cargo needs. The Ranchero's design allowed it to stand out in a market flooded with traditional trucks and cars, carving out a niche that would influence future vehicles. The interior of the 1957 Ranchero was designed with comfort and style in mind. With a spacious cabin that could comfortably seat 3 people, it provided a level of comfort that was often lacking in traditional work trucks. The dashboard featured an array of gauges and controls that were both functional and aesthetically pleasing, reflecting the mid-century modern vibe of the time. Options like vinyl upholstery and an upgraded radio added to the luxurious feel, making it a vehicle that could easily transition from work to leisure. As the years passed, the Ranchero's reputation continued to grow. It became a symbol of freedom and the open road, embodying the ideals of the American dream during the 1950s. While it had its share of competitors, such as the Chevrolet El Camino, which debuted a few years later, the 1957 Ford Ranchero remained a beloved choice for many. Its unique blend of style, performance, and utility resonated with a generation that valued both form and function. Today, classic car enthusiasts and collectors hold the 1957 Ranchero in high regard. Its rarity, combined with the nostalgia of the era, makes it a sought-after model among vintage car lovers. Restorations and custom modifications have become a popular hobby, allowing owners to breathe new life into these classic vehicles while preserving their original charm. In conclusion, the 1957 Ford Ranchero is more than just a vehicle. It represents a significant moment in automotive history. Its innovative design, versatile functionality, and stylish appeal captured the imagination of a generation and continue to inspire car enthusiasts to this day. Whether seen cruising down the road or showcased at car shows, the Ranchero remains a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and style, forever etched in the minds of those who appreciate classic Americana.